5 delicious desserts for summer that are easy to make. This no-bake cookie dough fudge only needs 6 ingredients. You find the recipes in the video description. The best combination for summer are fruits and chocolate. To make this dessert, cut some fruits of your choice. Mix them up with yogurt and place in parchment paper. Into the freezer for 1 to 2 hours. Cover the frozen fruit bites in melted chocolate. Enjoy! Do you desire some cake? Enjoy this delicious cookie no-bake cheesecake. Mix some Oreos into crumbles and add melted butter. Add the dough to a cake form. Next, mix up cream cheese and icing sugar until smooth. Add Oreo crumbles and fill up the cake form. Refrigerate the cheesecake for 5 hours and now you're good to go. These sweet 3-ingredient lemon possets are a nice little snack. Prepare by cutting the lemons in half and scoop out the flesh and juice. Save the inside flesh of the lemon. Now let's make the filling. On medium heat, combine the heavy cream, sugar, and lemon zest and bring to a gentle simmer. The mixture will begin to thicken naturally as you do this. Fill the lemon cups and let them cool at room temperature for about 30 minutes, then refrigerate for at least 2.5 to 3 hours or until fully set. Our easy and fast last but not least recipe are these yummy brownie bites. Stir heat-treated flour, cocoa powder, sugar, melted butter, and milk. We recommend freezing them. Thank you for watching. Leave us a like and comment what dessert is your favorite.